What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Car Mr. Reg, and welcome back to another video. And as you can see, we're in the G37, and I just thought about just making a little POV drive on the freeway. I never really made a POV drive, just me on the freeway, and you know, we'll do a little couple of pulls or whatever, but you know, we're gonna really be up in here chopping it up, just chilling. I need a video, so this is what I thought about recording today. So let's get into the video. And I'm actually on my way to go get an oil change right now. This car needs an oil change, so we're gonna get some fresh oil in there, and then I'll be making another video after I get done with the oil change. It requires me doing a lot of pulls, so want to make sure she got fresh oil for all that. Ooh, look at that traffic, bruh. It's only 125 and it's traffic. That is crazy, bro. I know I mentioned it in another video. I really hate driving this car in traffic because the transmission is so weird. I was just casually, you know, going and stopping, and I just had that little hard shift like it does, or just weird, like it just downshifts really weird. I don't know, I may ask to see about a update, because someone said in the forums that the system might just need an update and their transmission was shifting a lot smoother. So I don't know how true that is. I don't know, but like I said, man, nothing's wrong with the transmission. It's been doing this ever since I first got the car, and this was at like 94,000 miles. I'm at 148,000 right now, so nothing is wrong with the transmission. I think it just does this, and I don't know why. A lot of the people in the forums is saying that it's because the system needs an update, and once they, you know, did an update, it starts shifting, you know, good. But it's not really smooth. That's the only thing. Like, this car is not really smooth. Like with the G35, if I'm stopping and going, that car is like so smooth. That car shifts great. This car, it's a little shaky sometimes, man. And I don't know, maybe it needs an update. I'm not too sure. But if they're trying to charge for an update, it's bad. See, there it go. It just did that hard shift. I'm telling you, man, this car be, you know, some weird stuff sometimes, boy. I remember one time it downshifted so hard, I'm like, damn, did the transmission break? Golly. And I'm not even in sports mode or nothing. I'm in regular drive. Uh-oh, what happened right here, bro? Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on. That's the reason why it was traffic, bro. Oh, my goodness. When it's ready to go, it goes. Alright. That was fun. That was fun. I'm not even gonna lie, that was fun. We're gonna keep it in sports mode the whole drive. I got a little gas that I can burn. I ain't trying to burn all of it though, but ooh, we got a Supra behind us. Okay. Stupid, man. We getting stupid. I'm right behind you, man. Made my video a whole lot better, man. Let's go. Yeah, we're gonna keep it in sports mode, but when we get that running, I'm gonna have to do manual so I can shift it when I need to shift. I ain't gonna lie though, those Supras is dope. I didn't like it when it first like came out. I thought it was like kind of ugly, but me looking at them in person, the more I see them, they actually look pretty good. And then me doing that review on one like a long time ago, man, that car is fun as hell. I ain't gonna lie. Like backfires with the exhaust and all that stuff comes stock. So, and they're fast too. Like I believe they come like 350 stock, but Don't let it fool you, bro. Them things is fast. They light and they pull. And I believe they got like BMW motors in them or whatever. So, dang, look at all that road up there, bruh. Look at all that road up there. Oh my gosh. We got all this road and we got everybody driving slow. Got a lot of slow pokes on the road, man. I ain't gonna lie. I wanna see if I could do this Supra in real quick. I think I know that he gonna beat me though. I know he gonna beat me, but still. I just wanna do a run. I ain't gonna lie. It'll be good content for the video because I didn't know what I had planned for this video, to be honest. So, trying to get this run in. Switch to 4th gear. Many little bump right here. Oh, you. Steering wheel shaking. So you know you pushing the car to the limit. Cool dude, bro. Cool dude. I want to see if we can get a run in on. You meet some cool people out here in the car game, man. Not everybody toxic, man. Just people like to just have fun with their stuff when we could have fun. But man, if we get this little straightaway right here, let's see if we can try to like do like a little run or something. That'd be pretty cool. I know I need some rotors, boy. Them steering wheel shaking. Man, I don't know if we can get like a solid run in because these people, man. Come on, bruh. I gotta make sure we get a cool little run in right here, though. I don't know if he wants to, though. No, I don't think he's trying to run it. He said Infiniti. I eat them for lunch. I eat those for lunch. I'm not even gonna waste my gas on, bruh. Damn. So I need one of these cars boosted, boy. I'm gonna have so much fun. Oh my God. Get one of these cars boosted, like, especially like the G35, like, I don't know, like, sometimes I'm starting to think like, I think I wanna like go ahead and build on that DE. Like Natish 21 did with his, and like really build that motor so it can support like 600-700 horse. Look at this dumbass, 600-700 horsepower. So I don't know, or just adding boost to the regular DE, or doing a motor swap, the VQ VHR motor, which is this motor inside the G35. But you know, we'll see what we end up doing, but that's the long-term plans. But as y'all know, if y'all not following the G35 series, I definitely suggest you go ahead and follow the series because I'm trying to get 300 wheel horsepower in that car. Just trying to add on Bodo parts and trying to see if we can do it, man. Of course, I'm gonna get the car tuned and all of that, but you know, that's just some starters just for right now. But my long-term plans with that car is boost, either with the VHR motor or with the DE. I'm not too sure, but that's my long-term plans is boost. So we gonna see what we can do. I've been saying this in all my videos, but as you guys know, I'm trying to get to 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year. or if we can, you know, get more than that, then that would be perfect. But really, I'm trying to hit 10K by the end of this year, and I know we can do it. I've been putting in work for the past 3 years when it comes to Infiniti content, G37, G35, and just various other content. If you guys haven't watched, go watch the reaction series I did with the GTR, the Hellcat, Scat, Corvette, Porsche, Q50, Red Sport. So if you guys haven't watched that, go ahead and watch that. Real dope series. A lot of funny reactions, so give that a try if you haven't watched that. But I'm trying to hit 10K, you know what I'm saying? I've been putting in a lot of work when it comes to YouTube, but we're just pulling up to the dealership right now. I'm finna go ahead and get this oil change, man. It's about time, and all those pools is gonna need an oil change. This oil gonna be nice and hot for the person who's about to change it. And but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and leave me a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Trying to hit the 10K. And yeah, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.